Hello everyone, RJ here. Today I got to show you how to link the Blynk with the ESP8266-01 module. For doing so, first you need to install the packages like ESP8266 packages for supporting your ESP8266 module by Arduino. So for doing so, go to the preferences and copy the link that I have given in the description and paste it here and press OK. Then go to the tools and board manager and type here ESP8266. Click on that one and you select the latest version possible and click on install. It is going to take a couple of minutes, and what is this going to do? It is going to install the packages that is required for supporting the ESP8266 module. After it is over, click on OK and close your Arduino IDE and restart your Arduino IDE. Then go to the tools and check whether it has installed or not. Go down and check with then you can see generic ESP8266 module. So this has successfully installed. Then now you need to install the Blynk library. Click on the link that I have given in the description and unzip the folder. So you're gonna download the latest Blynk library and open this and open the libraries. So you can see Blynk and Blynk ESP8266 and many more other things. So these are the libraries that are required. So now you're gonna install these libraries to your Arduino IDE. For doing so, go to the sketch, include library, add zip library, go to the path where you have downloaded that one, zip folder, and click on libraries and click on Blynk and press open. So this is going to add your libraries to your Arduino IDE. So a library named Blynk already exists. So for you it is going to show a library added or something like that. For me it's the first time, sorry it's the second time, so it's already showing a library named Blynk already exists. So one more library you're gonna add, that is ESP8266-01. ESP, this library. So you're gonna want both the libraries, then you're good to go. Now you can program your ESP8266 through your Arduino Uno board and Arduino IDE. You can use it for programming. Coming to the connection between your ESP board and the Uno board, the connection is pretty much going to look like this. So connect a VCC to 3.3 volts and ground pin to ground on your Uno board, and the CHPD pin through 100 ohm resistor you're going to connect it to 3.3 volts. So here connect a regulated 3.3 volts to your ESP. Otherwise, if by any chance if you are giving a 5 volts, it is going to kill your board. Kill in the sense you can never use it again. And then connect the RX pin and the TX pin correct to on your Uno board. Since your ESP board is not a breadboard friendly one, you're going to connect them using the male to female jumper wires. So pretty much we are going to do the connections as shown on the screen, and I have made a row of 3.3 volts and the ground pin. Upper one is a 3.3 and ground is a below one. And reset pin, please connect it to the ground pin. Make a common ground one and connect the reset pin to the ground pin. And I have connected a 3.3 volts row to the 100 ohm resistance. That is not pretty much 100 ohm, but I have made somehow nearly 200. And now connect the VCC of your ESP to the 3.3 volts row and the ground pin of your ESP to the ground row, and CHPD pin you're gonna connect it to the 100 ohm resistance to 3.3 volts as shown on the screen, that which I shown. So these three pins are the main actual pins for required for powering your USB. And now for the programming uploading part, you want to connect the RX pin to the RX. So left top pin is the RX button on the ESP, and the right down but extreme right one is the TX pin. TX you want to connect to the TX pin. So these two pins are going to communicate with your ESP, and they are the main which are uploading the program to your ESP board. And GPIO 0 you want to connect it to the ground pin. So this means that your ESP, it is ready to receive the code from the Uno board. It is ready to upload, it is ready to get itself dumped dumping the code. So now after the connections are made, you are now ready to upload the program into your. Download the Blynk app from the Play Store and you're gonna open it and fill in a couple of stuffs like your Gmail and your password, and click on the new project. So here type in your project name. I'm going to give it a ESP. You can give as you wish. So choose a device. So here you want to choose a ESP8266 since you are going to deal with that one, and choose the connection type as Wi-Fi and click on the create. So it is going to send then a token to your Gmail. So what is this a token? So this a token, it's going to create a server like thing, or it is going to give a separate space for you to communicate with your device. And this is also going to store some couple of things of your device like when it came online, when it went offline, and you can even get a notification and Gmails when the device, when if the device comes online. And I'm going to show you how to do that one and all in the coming tutorials. So now what you want to just do is you're going to copy this whole token from 8 to A. It's going to be a different one for you. You copy this complete thing into your programming part and you're going to upload that to into your ESP. I'll show you how to do that one. So this is what you have to do now. After the connections are made, so let's start programming ESP8266. So ESP8266, we are using a Arduino Uno board. You can use any board to program that one. So here what's the main part of the board is, it's going to act as a bridge between your program and your ESP8266. It is just acting as a programmer, and I am sure that is not storing any type of code whatever you are uploading. It is just directly going and dumping it into your ESP8266. So let us start with a simple program, and before doing anything, go to the tools and check whether you have chosen the generic ESP8266 module board, and make sure that the port you are getting a right mark. So let's start with the simple program. Go to the examples and choose the libraries. So here Blynk will either be here or somewhere it will be here. Go to the Blynk and choose boards Wi-Fi and choose the standalone. So here ESP8266 shield, it's a complete different part. Don't choose that one for programming part. Go choose a standalone part. So here you are going to change the couple of things, your token, your network name, your password. I'll show you how to get your token. Here click on that one and paste your token here, and your network password. You gonna on your hotspot in your mobile if you gonna Geo, or you gonna connect it into your router. So here I gonna press my hotspot name and password, and that's pretty much thing what you have to do right here. That's it. And now you're gonna upload this part. Go click on the upload button, wait for some time. So this is a different type of uploading compared to that of the Uno board. I'll show you how it is a different part. It is going to first flash the ESP8266 module, and then it is going to program into that one. Yes, it's going to upload. And the most important thing is connect your reset pin to the ground of your from the Uno board. Otherwise you are going to suffer a lot. Why I am saying this, I have suffered a lot without connecting that part. So you can see it's uploading here 32%, 34%. So this is a different kind of uploading, and if you are getting like this, your device is perfectly working all right and you have done all the things right. Okay, now it is uploaded. Now what you gonna do, you're gonna remove the power supply of your for your ESP8266 and remove the GPIO 0 pin from the ground, and you're gonna left it open. Now connect the GPIO 2 pin to LED positive button and LED negative to the ground, and you're gonna check it right through that. So now after all that is done, after uploading your program, connecting the GPIO 0 pin to the ground, and take the power supply out and take out the GPIO pin from the GPIO 0 pin from the ground, and power it again back. So now keep the device with the power supply on. So now I am going to show you how to use the button. and to which you can actually set it. So I've chosen this button from the widget box, and I'm going to show you how to use the other things also in the coming tutorial. So click on the button, so it's going to appear here, and click on the button again here. So you're gonna configure it. So pin, you're gonna to choose a digital pin, so you can actually use GP1, GP2 and GP3. I'm going to show you for which and all pins these are helpful. So now for simplicity, let us choose a GP2 pin. So this GP2 pin is a GPIO2 on your ESP, and check this one as a switch. This push button is just going to power the GPIO2 pin whenever you hold on a button. So this switch button is going to act like a on and off. So yes, this is configured now. So now let's run and see whether the device is online or not, or such things can be checked by clicking on this one. So yes, your device is online now. So if you have kept it in the with a power supply, and if you have done all the things right, it should show that it is online. So now let's check by whether it's controlled or not from here. So you're gonna on, off, you're gonna on and off. Yes, it's working, and I got to show you. I can't show like this only. I got to show you in the in a couple of minutes. So this was a quick tutorial on how to control an LED from a button using the Blynk and ESP8266 module. So here you actually need not need, I am just using a Arduino board for the power supply. You can actually use these things or any regulated 3.3 volts power supply. So don't use a 5 volt, it is going to kill the ESP8266. So please like the video and comment if there is any problem, so let me know. I'll try to sort it out, and subscribe for my YouTube channel. I'm going to still upload a couple of videos on how to use the widgets like notifications, email and the value display, so you can actually get a notification and email if the device comes online. And I'll be making a tutorial on how to control a robotic bot using the Blynk app. So please like the video and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.